Look closely. Power often looks loud, but it breaks quietly. Men who endure protect one thing: integrity. A single thread from the past can steer a lifetime. In an age that records everything, leverage is quiet and precise. Guard your name so no hand can move you. Welcome, brother. Here we build disciplined, reliable men. Steady, honest, useful, so everyone around you rises. In the digital age, nothing truly disappears. Every click, every message, every photo is etched into a permanent, unforgiving ledger. This isn't just data, it's a new form of currency. In this world, past favors and forgotten files become invisible strings, ready to be pulled by unseen hands. Every action creates a ripple, a digital ghost that can be summoned at any moment. This permanent record has become the foundation of a new kind of power, one built not on trust, but on the quiet threat of exposure. But this game of leverage is ancient. Think of the Roman Senate, where a whispered rumor could shatter a political career. A senator's power rested on a reputation for unwavering integrity. Their word was their bond. Across castles and villages, a single broken vow could unravel alliances for generations. For a medieval knight, their oath was their identity. Integrity was their armor. A promise kept was power maintained. Today, the arena has changed, but the rules have not. Leaders project an image of unshakable confidence, yet one reckless message, one ill-advised deal, become a hidden hand guiding their choices for years to come. The pressure to compromise is immense, and a single misstep can create a debt that is impossible to repay. The sudden, baffling shifts you see in public life, allies abruptly abandoned, inexplicable policy changes, strange votes cast against their own interests, are rarely accidents. They are the visible tremors of a hidden earthquake. They are compromises being cashed in, debts being called due. In this era of control, leverage looks like a recording, a screenshot, a receipt, or even a buried memory. It is the ghost in the machine of power. When you sacrifice integrity, you don't just lose face, you lose self-command. You hand the reins of your life to someone else, no matter the crown you wear. In the high-stakes arenas of business and government, secrets are never just secrets. They are liabilities that accrue interest over time. These hidden compromises become debts, owed to those who know the truth. When that truth is inevitably exposed, rivals don't just witness a downfall, they actively steer the outcome, turning your vulnerability into their strategic advantage. This isn't merely a moral failure, it's a complete strategic collapse, a self-inflicted wound that proves fatal. So, why do we turn to the lessons of great leaders? Because they prove that integrity is not a passive virtue, but an active force. Consider Admiral Yi Sun-sin. His unbending, unimpeachable record was his greatest weapon. When the Korean kingdom was on the brink of annihilation and resources were perilously thin, it was his reputation alone that rallied shattered fleets. Soldiers followed him into impossible battles, not for a king, but for a commander they knew was incorruptible. Quran says, "Indeed, Allah orders justice, good conduct, and giving to relatives, and forbids immorality, wrongdoing, and oppression. Hold fast to what is right." Surah An-Nahl 1690. This principle is ancient. Medieval guilds, the backbone of pre-industrial economies, ran entirely on trust. A craftsman's mark wasn't just a signature, it was a public contract, a promise of quality and fair dealing. If a craftsman broke that trust even once, their reputation was shattered. Trade, the lifeblood of their existence, would simply die. No one would buy their goods, and no other guild would work with them. Scripture says, "Whoever walks in integrity walks securely, but whoever takes crooked paths will be found out." Proverbs 10:9. Today, the forge and anvil have been replaced by the digital cloud, but the stakes are higher because the cloud remembers everything, forever. A creator who cuts corners, plagiarizes, or misleads their audience loses more than a single sale. They lose platforms, sponsorships, and the faith of their community. One weak moment, one lapse in judgment is captured, archived, and becomes a permanent tool that can be used against them at any time. Inevitably, careers fall when a carefully constructed public image is contradicted by a private life of misdeeds. Raw talent and charisma can't hold a cracked foundation. When your actions and your words are not aligned, you are fundamentally unstable. This alignment isn't just a good idea. In the modern world, it is non-negotiable for survival. True leadership demands congruence. If your actions and your words consistently diverge, you create a vacuum of authority. Trust erodes, and into that empty space, a rival will inevitably step, armed with their own agenda and empowered by your failure. Masculinity isn't domination, it's direction. Live unblackmailable. Your name is forming now. A disciplined, principled man stands on truth, not secrets, beyond coercion. We don't need more performers. We need leaders who keep course and keep their word. Consistency makes a man formidable. Trust follows, not for perfection, but for incorruptibility. If powerful people can be steered, the undisciplined man becomes effortless to move. This era rewards steadiness. Men who resist temptation, lies, and pressure cannot be steered. Your integrity is currency. Your habits are armor. Today's compromise forges tomorrow's chain. We live in a world where every action is recorded, every word scrutinized. In this age, your reputation is your most valuable asset and greatest vulnerability. You must build a personal code, a fortress of character that shields you from public opinion and the manipulations of rivals. This isn't about projecting a flawless image. It's about forging an unshakable reality. Picture any leader on the rise. Their opponents aren't just looking for policy disagreements, they're hunting for cracks in their character. A hidden debt, a secret vice, a past indiscretion, these are the levers they will use to apply pressure, to blackmail, to control. When your private habits align with your public code, those levers find no purchase. Your integrity makes you immovable. But any inconsistency invites leverage and threatens to bring the entire structure down. Rule 1. Practice daily integrity. True strength is built not in grand gestures, but in the countless small, unseen choices you make every day. These small, honest acts compound over time, building a bulwark against manipulation. For the merchants of the Hanseatic League, their word was their bond, their ledger, a sacred text. A single dishonest entry could ruin a reputation built over a lifetime. So tell the truth when a lie would be easier. Keep the promises no one will ever know you made. Fulfill your obligations without seeking applause. Your digital and physical footprint is your modern-day ledger. Make sure it tells a story of honor. Rule 2. Choose discipline over desire. The world constantly tempts you with the easy path and instant gratification, but restraint is a superpower that separates the master from the amateur. History is a graveyard of capable men undone by fleeting urges. They traded empires for moments of pleasure. Learn from their failures. Skip the pointless online arguments. Use that time to train your body or mind. Forgo the lazy distraction. Choose the focused work that builds your future. Discipline is prioritizing who you want to become over what you want right now. Rule 3. Control your environment. You are a product of your surroundings. Willpower is finite, but a well-designed system is enduring. Stop relying on fickle moods and motivation. Instead, architect an environment where your desired actions are the easiest path. A messy desk and a chaotic digital life breed mental fog. A circle of cynical friends will dull your ambition. Curate your space, your information diet, and your relationships with ruthless intent. A clean environment fosters clear thought. Strong circles sharpen resolve. Rule 4. Never offer a chain to your enemies. A man of integrity not only resists leverage, but is careful never to create it. Don't hand your opponents control points by revealing unnecessary information or creating dependencies that can be used against you. Your clean past and disciplined present are your defense. They prevent the forging of chains that could one day bind you. Proactively audit your life. Find the gaps in your armor, the small compromises, the lingering bad habits, and close them with relentless discipline. This is how you become not just strong, but unbreakable. Brother, refuse sloppiness. Keep your soul clean, your purpose straight, your actions aligned. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, protect your integrity, lead by example, now.